Okay, this is my forecast for BTCUSD. So I've been looking out for this. First of all, we use higher time frame bias, directional bias. So this is a higher time frame directional bias. I have actually been waiting for price to get to this zone. I have sorry, I've been waiting for price to get to this zone on the daily time frame. If you check, it's also correlating with a breaker block here. I've been waiting for price to get to this zone on BTC USD. I mapped out this analysis a long time ago. So when price gets to this zone, you can see that it led to this break of structure. It's even also a breaker block. It's not, and every move that comes from higher time frame, every correctional move always reverses from, mostly 80% of the time, from breaker blocks. And this is a breaker block that I want to use, and coincidentally there's an order block sitting right there. So you can see this is my analysis on the daily time frame. So I expect market to come all the way from, let's just say, all the way down to this place before coming to clear this zone, because this is a correctional move. After a long-term downtrend, it goes back up for correction and comes back down. I don't know if you get me. So I expect price to get to this zone before reversing back down. So that's literally it. It broke this low. Remember, it's mostly breaker blocks. And this breaker block is not mitigated yet. It is still unmitigated. After it broke with the body of the candle, there's a retracement backward. This is it. Even the smallest candle is also a retracement. This is my inducement, and I'll use this as my order block. I've been waiting for this trade, this particular zone, since. Okay, now you know what? Let's narrow down to 4 hours time frame. Let's narrow down to, or even 2 hours time frame. Remember that what we're making use of is the breaker block. Is this breaker block sitting right here? That is what we are making use of. This breaker block is what we'll be making use of. So that's it for BTC. I expect price to get to this zone before coming to clear this low. This is just a correction. It's not like market is now bullish. Meanwhile, let me show you my analysis on BTC, and it's currently playing out. I'll show you with my so market was making higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. So you can see very well that in this place, when market changed this thing. When market changed character, it kept going higher highs, higher lows. This high is literally higher than this, so I think I should have counted it among these things I drew. That's why price made use of it to buy. See, there's an order block resting just here. Let me use the 45 minutes time frame to see if that order block is there. This type of large order blocks lets you know that market is going to make a turn around from the market at this zone. So I won't be using this because this is liquidity. Because see, higher highs, higher lows. This did not break this low, so I'm not going to count it. Then higher highs, higher lows. This is what I'm going to count, and you can see it swept liquidity. It swept internal range liquidity. Then it pulled back. This is the first pullback before it broke this high. So this is where market is likely going to make, and it's already making. I will show you I'll show you a screenshot or a video of my trade that I'm currently on. So I expect market to come all the way from here. This is not my precise entry. I'll show you my precise entry from here to clear this high. Remember that from daily time frame, we're expecting market to get to this zone. So we have to follow it up from the lower time frame till it gets to that zone. Then when it gets to that zone, we expect a reversal concept to happen there, and that's just it. It's as simple as ABC. Very, very simple. Here, this is my precise entry. This is the entry I used. After this sweep here, then I got this move. Sorry, let me use I got this is an order block here sitting right here that I expect price to make use of. For me, my order blocks have to, this is the order block that I expect price. So this was my precise entry on the trade. This is the first pullback that market made. The first pullback that market made. Then market tapped into this zone, and I expect it to clear this trend line liquidity. So if you can find entries, good for you, but I expect it to clear this trend line liquidity. We'll be here next week to review if it really played out or not. So once it clears, remember that we are buying till we get to the zone. We expect a reversal to the downside from using the higher time frame. So that's it for BTC. You can check yours, you can put down yours in the comment section for me to see. Alright, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Do not forget, we'll be back here every time with market reviews and what I expect from the market to happen weekly, mostly weekly. Let me look for, if I want an entry now, a re-entry. This is a higher high. Let me do, this is a higher high, this is a higher low, this is a higher high, and this is a higher low. Now market broke this higher high with the body of the candle. It pulled back and broke it with the body and closed above the MSS candle closure. Then it started moving back upward. So if I want to get a trade, I will remember continuations is used. You use multiple break of structures for continuations. This is market structure shift. This is another break. So basically internal and external range BOS. So this is another break. So obviously you can still use this place as re-entry if market wants to retrace back to this zone. Re-entry to buy to our POI. This is very, very simple as ABC. So I'm expecting market to get to this zone. That's it. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you here next time. Same time for market reviews. Bye.